Folks, I'm back. How y'all doing? I'm going to make some simple spaghetti sauce. You can put on spaghetti, you can put it on ravioli, you can do what you want with it. Little few ingredients. You're going to have diced basil, garlic, and oregano, tomatoes, chopped or diced. I'm going to use a little bit of this Bertolli's. I've used it before. I liked it. Most of the time I'll just use my own tomato sauce and add the garlic and oregano to it. Your spaghetti sauce or your spaghetti noodles. You can use whatever noodles you want. If you like the fettuccine or the thin, you can use that. I'd rather have a little bit thicker noodle than that. I'm browning the meat right now, and I'll get back with y'all shortly. Just let me get this frozen meat browned and thawed and done, and I'll be back. And what I'm doing is boiling out all this water and browning the meat. Get a good flavor of the meat. You gotta brown it really, really good. Put it on it here. You can hear that popping and a popping, popping and a banging. All right, I'm gonna turn the heat down. I don't know if y'all can see this. You see the brown, the real dark brown, crispy? That's what you're wanting. Just like what's on the outside of a hamburger patty. What you don't want to do is you don't want to burn the garlic that's in the the sauce. I'm going to add a little bit of water to this. Just to cool this down where it doesn't burn. Alright, now I'm going to add the diced tomatoes. Now, what are you boiling for? You're supposed to be... Alright. Okay. It's doing good. I got some of this. I'm going to try it. But I don't know how well it's going to do. It's just McCormick Grinder Italian herb. I can put a little bit in there and find out what it's like. Now, a little secret to spaghetti sauce is fennel seed. You don't use a whole lot of this. To this pot here, I will maybe use 10 or 15 seeds. The longer you let it cook, the more the seeds will work. A little bit more of this water. A fly in the wintertime. Where'd you come from? At the end, I'll add a little more diced garlic to my flavor that I like. But this does have a pretty good flavor just as it sits. Now you can let it cook for about 10, 20, 30 minutes, and you can serve it, but I'll let it cook a little bit longer. That's pretty good. So that's basically it. Just let this cook for a little while. I will be back. Let it do a little bit more tasting on it and see how it is. I'll be back. Hi folks, I'm finally back. Microsoft decided to do an upgrade on me when I was finishing up my spaghetti sauce, so I ended up having to put it away while my computer went through a disaster and wouldn't finish updating. I said I was going to add probably some more garlic, diced garlic, which I did not, but I did add some thick and zesty to thicken it up a little bit because it was a little too runny. So I just wanted to finish up, let everybody see how it turned out, even though it's cold, but it is thickened up a lot. Sorry I didn't get to finish it the way I wanted to, but updates are going to happen whether you're going to like it or not with Windows 10. So give this recipe a try. I think you'll like it. And if you want, you can subscribe. I only have 2 subscribers. Please do if you can. And until next time, thank you, folks.